Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to the channel if this is the first time you're watching me. And in today's video I am going to show you Nykaa is having a Pink Friday sale right now. I think it's 70% off and I got my hands on some goodies. It's not a lot but I have gotten a decent amount of products. Now I really don't have makeup, very little makeup products and some skincare products, because in the last Nykaa haul I showed you truckloads of makeup that I ordered. So today I'm going to show you some skincare. So let's start. These two body washes I got from Mama Earth. I really like Mama Earth body washes. Now since it's winter, in winters I tend to use body washes more than soaps because I don't know, for some weird reasons. So I got one in the vitamin C range and the other one is Uptan body wash. So I got these two body washes. Now I'll put all the prices over here in the screen so that you guys can see it. So these are the first two products that I got from Nykaa. Moving on, I got this vitamin C lip care kit from Mama Earth. It is really nice. This is my second pack. I had one more and this is how it looks, and it comes with a spatula. I'll show you why. So if you open, there are two types of compartments. One is a lip scrub and another is a lip mask. Now this is the lip mask. You'll have to take it with the spatula. And this is the lip scrub, as you can see. So these are two different parts. First, you're supposed to use the scrub. You have to scrub your lips, then wash it off and then apply the lip mask. So this one is really a great product. I really recommend it during the winters, now that our lips are gonna be chipped and dry. So yeah, you guys can definitely use this one. Since we are on the Mama Earth range, let's complete all the products that I have gotten from Mama Earth first. Now this is the last product from Mama Earth and this is the Mama Earth Kajal pencil. I have tried many different Kajal pencils but I haven't tried one of Mama Earth. I've tried Maybelline, I've tried Lakme, so I've tried Plum. So this is the one right here. I got this one as well. So this is the Mama Earth Kajal. I got this set of face razors. I really wanted razors, so I had to buy them. I have used this blue one, but yeah, these two are fresh and yeah, I got this. These are really cheap and really handy. Guys, I have a little luxury product. It's not luxury at all. Don't think of anything luxury that comes to your mind. It is just my first Korean skincare product. It's the very famous lip mask from Laneige. It's a lip sleeping mask. You're supposed to use it in your sleep, and I'm not gonna lie, I have tried some. Couldn't resist myself from trying it before showing it to you all. So this is how it looks and this is the inside. It's so watery. I love it. It is really nice for 500 rupees. I love it. I'm gonna use it for a long time. I also got this Nykaa hand cream. This because it's winters, we all need good hand cream, and this is my second tube. I have gotten one before and I really like the strawberry flavor. So this is the hand cream from Nykaa. And then just this one piece of makeup product that I got, which I wanted to refill, is this my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. So I needed one, and you all know the drill, how to use the loose powder. And this is in the shade 25 medium Moen. So this is my powder. Okay, so that's everything that I bought from the Nykaa sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to check out Nykaa, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment down, and I'll see you guys super soon in my very next video. Bye guys.